What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. The Ginger 31 to be exact. Don't watch TV, watch me. Got my baby girl fast with me today. You know what I'm saying? My ladybug. I got some things going on. Let's go. The Ginger. Man, I'm currently kind of pissed the fuck off because it says that my packages actually got here or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I got a little bit of my fucking packages. This shit was actually a double fucking package, right? One fucking package came. Where is my shit?
The shit. The shit. Shit.
Bro, I ain't gonna even lie and tell you like I wasn't straight up excited about getting my shit.
Insane in the membrane type of shit.
What shit he talking about, man? Man, what type of shit?
You know, I ain't gonna tell you what it is just yet. Y'all gonna see it in a minute. But look, I've been sitting here, you know, not posting on the channel because I got some shit going on.
Shit.
I got some shit cooking.
What? What?
I got some shit that I've been ordering. I want to throw on my whip. You know, got this shit here, got some old shit in the house.
Let's get this shit over with. Let's see how real this shit is you got.
See, the thing of it is, I'm waiting on my shit.
You'll get the shit.
And all I see is one thing delivered.
Kill that noise, man. Let's just get the shit.
This is not cool.
That shit wasn't funny.
Cops or some shit.
That shit. Let's just get the shit first. Shit. How we gonna get the shit? Woo! We gonna get the shit. Crazy. Woo! Shit.
We got ourselves some small mods, man. So let's get off into that.
The poopity pop. We gonna get the shit.
All right. So first things first. All of my shit did not come.
Ain't this some shit?
That right there. I know it's COVID times and all of that, but when I order something, I expect for it to come with each other. Like, don't split each other. Don't split up my shit. This shit comes the same place, the same people, but y'all split my shit. It is what it is. Let's get off into the other shit, man. Anyway, shout out to Fast Tech, shout out to Next Gen Speed, and then also shout out to decalconcepts.com, man. Hey, shout out to everybody. Shout out to all three of them companies. All right, so look. It ain't nothing big, no big mods. I know y'all looking for them performance mods. I'm gonna keep that on it down. You dig?
You for real?
Yes!
I'm not gonna tell shit. I'm not gonna say shit. Might tell a little bit. Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna keep that from y'all. This here came from, who is this? This one here came from Fast Tech. They got all type of parts, but this is a third brake light back. I'm gonna toss that on today after I wash the whip, actually. Shit. What else we got? Side markers. You know, let them know what you in. You know, if they don't see the badge on the back to say SS, then maybe when they ride on the side, they're gonna know what it means. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so shout out to them for the side markers, third brake light. They also gave me like another little decal too if I want to toss that on. The Fast Tech decal for that. I might toss that on, you know. It ain't shit. Next Gen Speed also gave me a decal. So that's cool. Oh yeah. By the way, shout out to Lonty down there.
With the red and black interior, like, with the, you feel me? That bit hard, bro. With the all black and the red.
That is really nice. It is really nice.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with all black and the paint is glistening.
I know it's getting a little dark up in here because I'm about to take this trash out and whatnot. But Shout out to him for putting me on the channel, shouting me out, you know, giving my car a nice little rating. That's all love. I know it was kind of dark back there, but thank y'all for tuning in.